is Diego Gardino, and today we are going to be making a very delicious, healthy, and colorful spinach and strawberry salad with a strawberry vinaigrette. And the ingredients we are going to be using today are... The first ingredient we are using is a spinach, and then the next will be a strawberry. It is sweet and it is colorful. Next, we will be having blueberries, which are sour and contrast the red color of the strawberries. We'll be using pecans for its very crunchy and very adds good texture to the salad. Next is the red onion, which is a very colorful and not as strong as a normal onion, but still very crisp. And next is the goat cheese, which is sour and crumbly and will help out with the sweet and sour salad we have, and the romaine lettuce for its crispy and its color. We are going to start prepping our salad, and the first thing we're going to start off is with the romaine lettuce. So what you want to do is you're going to want to cut about this much off. So we're going to chop it like this, 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna cut about maybe 2 fingers worth this way. About that much. Now we're gonna take this and put it into our bowl. And this will not be used. The next ingredient we will be using is the red onion. I'm not going to use too much, but about here is fine. Now you're going to want to peel it. And we're going to cut it in half. And we're going to do a nice julienne half. And that's what we will be using. So the next, we are going to cut the strawberries. So you're going to want to cut the top off, cut it in half, and then cut from there. Turning the strawberries back to the bowl for later use. Now I'm going to be showing you how to make the strawberry vinaigrette for the salad. First, we're going to be using a cup of strawberries, five tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar, 1, 5. Then we are going to season the vinaigrette with salt, and some fresh black pepper. Next, we will also be using 1/3 of a cup of oil blend. Now we are going to blend our vinaigrette. So we're going to come over here. We're going to blend the ingredients that we have right now, except for the olive oil, which we will be adding slowly to emulsify the vinaigrette. Now it's ready to taste. Delicious. Now it is time to serve our salad. Some romaine lettuce, some spinach on top, a little bit more romaine lettuce on top. Strawberries. Red onions. Our pecans. Our blueberries. The goat cheese. And finally, we will dress our salad. now it is time to taste our salad. Now that is a very flavorful and a very great and healthy salad. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoy your new salad.